I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. Hold on to somebody.
Hi everyone! I'm back. So today is February 19 and tomorrow meron kaming first JShell Asia meetup. Nauna na ako dito sa Manila. Susunod na lang yung mag-ama ko tomorrow kasi may pasok pa ako mamaya. So gusto ko may tulog ako bago pumunta dito. So yun lang. Ang ganda ng Airbnb na nabook ko. Uulit tayo dito. So yan, may mini sala. Tapos may veranda. And then may room here. Then CR, and then yung door. So, room tour natin yan mamaya. So, for now, it's 6 p.m. And magdi-dinner kami with Jen and Lance. So, yeah, 6:80. Magpe-prepare lang ako, then lalabas na din ako kasi may duty pa tayo mamaya 10 p.m. So, yun lang. Bye! Hi! So, quick room tour lang tayo sa Airbnb natin. So, upon pagpasok, yan, may libreng water, 4 na bottles, tapos may Joy, ugasan, and then meron silang microwave at initan ng tubig. Tapos I think pwedeng magluto dito. Yeah, here. Pwedeng magluto. Ito. Uy. May Uy, may pangsaing din. In fairness, kompleto. Ito, uy. Ayan, kompleto mga utensils, lutuan, and everything. At may vacuum. And then, dito naman sa left eye, CR. May heater yan, shower. May din, washing machine. Tapos, yan. May ref. And may fire extinguisher. And then, on the left side, ito yung bedroom. Yan. Yun yung malita ko. Cute, diba? Hi! Cute ng room nila. May aircon din dito. And then, meron din ditong dalawang chair. Tapos isang table. Tapos may cabinet, mirror, and more mirrors. And then, meron pang sofa bed dito. Dun kasi dun sa bedroom, pwede 3. Tapos, TV, and then workstation, may 2 chairs, and then balcony, swimming pool yung nakita. So, yun lang. Picture lang. And then, balik to work na ulit ako. Bye!
Number 7 Hustlers, okay? And you're going to be seeing a lot of these AI agents in 2025, okay? Who's got a picture for me? Okay, awesome. All right, well, who's here to profit with AI? Anyone want to profit with AI? All right. Let's get started with that.
Kaya ako natatawa eh. Hi. Akala ko na
Who's the tech person here?
Ma'am Shai.
Hello, tech crew. All right, well, we're just about ready to profit with AI. And while we're waiting for the slide deck, I'm trying to get a sense for who already knows anything about it. That doesn't know anything about it. Not using any AI. Anybody raise their hand for that? Not using any AI. Great. All right. So who's what's on the slide deck? Can we slide to the next slide? All right. So I just came here a couple days ago, and I brought in some gifts, right? Big box. second. Balikbayan box. You guys know these Balikbayan boxes?
Yes!
And, you know, so
Dinner time. Say hi, Dad. Look.
Oh, nak, may papalitan mo naman. That's new. Wait, it's on the floor.
Yeah, later na, Dad. Ako na, Dad. Hi guys! Welcome back! Nakita nyo, iba na yung ating venue simula kahapon. So, 2 days, wait lang baba. Wait lang baba. Go there, go there. So, di ba galing tayong seminar. So, 2 nights tayo dun sa isang Airbnb. Tapos, nag-extend kami. At nasa same shore tree residence naman kami. And then lumipat lang kami. Buti may nakita kami. Ito yung nakuha namin with bedroom. Tapos malaki yung space niya. Parang 33 square meters. So we're eating lunch na. Hi!
Kaya,
Where are we?
Manila.
Are you happy? So maganda yung niya, space. May malaking window. It's a corner lot. Corner lot, lupa, Dad. Ano tawag dito, Dad? Unit. Basta corner siya. Tapos dun yung balcony. Tapos yan, nagkukok lang ng lunch, merienda, 3 p.m. na. Yan! Hey guys! We're now going to... Where?
What's the fires?
Yeah, we're gonna watch the pyro, and today's laban is France at China. We're gonna have a walk tour from Shore 3, Tower 1 and 2, going to seaside. We're gonna go parking. So we have a shortcut. Instead of going to the lobby, we're gonna take the parking lot. It's a shortcut. So since our car is parked here, that's the shortest way to go here. Meron ako nag-beer ako. Yes. Ginagawa ng everyday. There, dulo. There, dulong-dulo. Oh, mabungga ka. Yeah. It's there. Super dulo. There, oh. I saw, yes. I saw it. So, ito yung parking lot for Tower 1 and 2 for Shore 3. So, yeah. Nagwo-walk tour si Mama. Hawak ka kay Dada. Then, ito, mag-turn right. Mas mabilis kasi dun sa lalabas ka sa main lobby. Huh? No, we're gonna have a walk.
But it's gonna be too long.
Huh?
It's gonna be a long walk.
Ay, kuya.
So what do you do? We're gonna book you or not?
Yes.
I think, we're gonna ride in Bokyo? Okay. So, we're gonna ride in Bokyo kasi this little girl is so lazy. Char! I think she's tired now because it's already 7 o'clock. Baba! Wait lang. O baka mahal yung natin, 100 ulit. Tanungin mo muna yung Bokyo. Ay, pwede. Pag sana matap. Ooh! Did you hear that?
Pero ang stop niya
Sa
sa harap.
harap ng... Hindi pwede yung hindi bumaba dyan.
Mom,
Oh,
don't forget that I have money.
yeah.
Pwede lang isang pinata.
Hindi ko alam kung saan
Hindi, tapos sa gabi, nagkakapas. Kaharap, sa harapan ka. Pero may isa pang kanto, di ba?
Oo. Bababa na lang doon. Doon na lang bababa. So, hindi ako makakapag-walk tour. It's a prank. But technically guys, less than kilometer lang or like 1.2 kilometer lang yung layo from here to seaside. But since pagoda na ang mga person daw, but me, I like to walk, but them, Faria and Dada wants to ride a jeepney. Or bukyo if there is. There. So itatago ko na tong camera. Kasi, yeah, mamaya na lang ulit pag nandito tayo sa seaside. Bye! We're here sa Mall of Asia and we're going to the seaside. Ito yung North Terminal. So, ito yung north side of MOA. Ay, pasaway. Ay. So, nakabili na kami ng ticket. It's 200 pesos. Where is the line? I think here is the line. Dad! Dad?
May ticket po? Diretso na lang. Pa-open po na mga bags.
So, 200 yun. Ay!
Ma'am, pakibigay po yung mga ticket sa account. Ticket nyo, ma'am.
Ayun.
Okay. Ticket po ninyo.
Ayun. Tatlo kami.
Sige po.
Yahoo! We're in!
Silver.
Here, silver.
Kumain.
Oo.
The VIP for reaching Megari.
Yeah. Hanap tayo ng maupuan nung ganyan. Kaya ito yung mga nakabook, oh. Mga nakabook.
Mga cameraman, mga...
Bakit? Kaya kabahan ka? Ha? You want hug ni Dada?
I want to cover my...
Okay. Baba. Hi. We're going home now. After 1 week. Here's our old stuff.
Basement po kayo?
Ground, yeah. Thank you. So after 1 week, we're checking out na. You stay with me?
Ikaw na mag-ano.
Sige. Babalik ko lang to. We're going check out. Hi.